Welcome, 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 viewers, to part 5 of the Rocket Mortgage Classic here in the fair city of Detroit. Viewers, to try to bring you up to speed here, we're at the main entry point at parking lot A and B, which is considered private parking. We're going to see if we can get our camera guy to pan the camera so you can get a general idea. Now keep in mind, you're getting a view from a moving smart bus there. We wanted to give you the full effect. This filming or what have you over the windows of the bus is somewhat blurring our vision. So just stand clear, viewers. We wanted more or less you to get a real feel of riding a bus and filming. Yep. Okay, just stand by, viewers. It is more than worth your time. Outstanding. The driver is preparing to execute a left, bringing us passengers to what is considered the drop-off point. I tell you, smart is second to none. All of the drivers are consummate professionals, in which has undertook many hundred of hours, I believe 250 clock hours of training prior to getting on the road. Now moving ahead there, here we go again, viewers. Yep, we're approaching what is considered the State Fair drop-off. I tell you, viewers, she is outstanding. Yep, just hang on in there. Thank you. And you have a blessed day. Yep, here we go. We get out of these clowns' ways, because they wild. Now, we've just stepped out on ground. I tell you, this is the real deal. This is the entry point for the Woodward A and B lot parking here in the fair city of Detroit at the State Fairground. We're going to get the camera guy to pan again so you can actually see business is as usual in terms of commuters commuting, as you see. Now the sun's is in your eyes, but you can basically see business is as usual. But getting back to the gist of the story, the Rocket Mortgage Golfing Classic. This is it, folks. This is it. Yep, this is it. I tell you, America, get a load of this. This ain't no joke. I'm telling you. They holding them. They doing it. Yep. Rocket Mortgage Golfing Classic 2019. Yep. You seeing how it's done in the D. I tell you, folks, if you can, you want to get down here, you know, bring the family, make it an outing. These folks went through a great deal of trouble to accommodate and facilitate. Take a look at it, folks. Take a look at that. It is quite beautiful to see what civic leaders and individuals, once they get involved, what they can actually do. Now this is a bird's eye view of parking lot A and B for the Rocket Mortgage Classic Golfing. Yep, look at them. They're on point, constantly accommodating, constantly facilitating. Yep, let's get the camera guy to pan this camera here. We're right on Woodward Avenue, just a little south of 8 Mile. For you viewers who may be not so much familiar with the layout and floor plans of the State Fairground, we're behind the old Myers, or the newly constructed Myers, on the southeast corner I tell you, this is beautiful. And there's Detroit finest right there, assisting and helping and showing and leading the way. Hats off to the Detroit Police Department there. Now, as you see, viewers, right at that point there is considered the Palmer Park A and B parking lot. It's considered private parking. Now, a quarter of a mile down, right on the State Fair Avenue Street, that's for the general public parking. But here, right off of Woolwood, across the street from the cemetery where the late, great Aretha Franklin was laid to rest, is the entry point for the Palmer Park A and B parking lot for private parking. Get a load of this, people. Get a load of this. I tell you, feast your eyes, America. Detroit.